Alright, before we can write our vertex form into standard form, we have to review some of our prior knowledge, which you already did this in class. We did a couple of examples. So I'm going to go over this one right here just to refresh your memory. This means x minus 4 times x minus 4. You either double distributed or you did the expansion box. Either way, you will get the same answer. Okay, so we'll do the double distribute first. X times x is x squared. X times negative 4 is negative 4x. Negative 4 times x is negative 4x. Negative 4 times negative 4 is positive 16. Remember to combine your like terms. Okay, be careful. Those do not cancel because it's negative 4 and negative 4. So it would be x squared minus 8x plus 16. Okay, if you did the expansion box, x times x is x squared, x times negative 4, negative 4x, x times negative 4, negative 4x, negative 4 times negative 4 is 16. The middle terms combine, you get x squared, negative 8x, and a positive 16. Okay, so you should have already worked those out for your practice. So the reason why we had to review that is because every equation in vertex form, if we want to rewrite it in standard form, remember standard form is ax squared plus bx plus c. These are in vertex form. We want to rewrite it into standard form, you have to do the parentheses first order of operations. So you would have to do this first. This means x minus 3 times x minus 3. So I'm going to give you some time to work that out, and then we'll follow the rest of the steps. Okay, when you worked it out, you should have gotten x squared minus 6x plus 9. So that was the parentheses, so that still stays there in the equation, but the 4 is in front, and then the plus 2 drops down. Now we need to continue with our order of operations. We did what was inside the parentheses first. Now we need to distribute. 4 times x squared is 4x squared. 4 times negative 6 is negative 24x. 4 times 9 is 36. Then we drop down the plus 2. Okay, you should notice that your 36 and 2 can be combined. And you get 38. So these two equations should be exactly the same. You can check by putting them into your graphing calculator and double checking that they have some of the same points in the calculator. So I'm going to check the first one first. 4 parentheses, x minus 3 squared plus 2. Graph it so I know where it is. Okay, you can go to the table and check, or you can go and type into y2 the same exact equation and push graph, and it should graph exactly on the same spot. And they matched up, and I can clear that one out and double check by just graphing the single one, and it's exactly the same. Okay, I'm going to do one more example. On the back, we're going to do, let's go ahead and do number 5 since it doesn't equal 0. Remember, if it doesn't equal 0, you have to make it equal 0 by subtracting 6. Subtract 6. So I'm going to rewrite the equation. Okay, so if I want to change that to standard form, I have to work out this part first. So I'm going to give you about some time to do that. I'm going to push pause. Please work that out. Okay, after you work that out, maybe off to the side somewhere, whatever you got for your answer goes in here. The negative 2 dropped down, the negative 6 drops down. So you should have gotten x squared plus 6x plus 9 this time. We're going to distribute. Get negative 2x squared minus 12x minus 18 minus 6. Combine those last terms, and you should get negative 2x squared minus 12x minus 24 equals 0 will be your final answer. Okay, this is going to go on page 43 of your notes. Writing equations, vertex form to standard form. Is the title. If you need more room to work these out, you can go ahead and do that on page 43 so that you have the work there.